Hi everyone. Are you tired of disconnected teams and scattered communication tools? What if you could bring everything together into one platform that keeps your employees engaged, informed, and aligned? Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Staffbase. So let's dive right into it. Start by signing up for Staffbase. Head to their website, create your account, and log in. Once you are in, take a moment to customize your workspace. Add your company logo, choose brand colors, and set up user roles so everyone has the right access level. Now let's talk about creating content. Use the platform to draft posts for announcements, updates, or even casual shoutouts to celebrate team wins. You can add images, videos, or links to make your messages more engaging. For example, share a video explaining a new policy and attach a downloadable PDF for reference. Staffbase also makes it easy to gather feedback. Use surveys to ask employees about anything from workplace culture to specific initiatives. These surveys not only show employees their voices matter, but also give leadership actionable insights to improve. For remote or frontline workers, the mobile app is a game changer. Employees can access resources like HR documents, training materials, and real time notifications no matter where they are. This ensures everyone stays connected and informed. Next, streamline workflows by integrating Staffbase with tools you already use, like SharePoint or Slack. This creates a unified work experience and saves time by keeping everything in one place. You can also automate processes like sending reminders for upcoming deadlines or share daily news digests. Finally, leverage analytics to track engagement. See which posts are getting the most views, how many employees are using the app, and where you can improve. These insights help you refine your communication strategy over time. With Staffbase, you can centralize communication, boost engagement, and create a stronger workplace culture, all from one platform. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you.